How you doing, guys? Chris here. I was just reading the Tampa Bay Times, and it looks like a licensed drone pilot out of Orlando got arrested for flying over restricted airspace in Tampa. And this notice has been up for a couple of days now, and apparently the FBI arrested him for flying. This is where he was located, obviously in that giant red spot there. But this is AIRMAPs, and there's no red spot. As you zoom in, you can see he wasn't violating any airspace according to AIRMAPs. Here's the DJI maps. He's between spaces there. And the article reads that, he should have known, or they confiscated his drone and he did know. But I guess we'll see. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time.